Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how you can download customer statement into the Odoo 18. So for that you have to install predefined application of Odoo. So for that go to the apps menu and search for the customer statement. So you will find accounting statement application here. I have already installed this application. Once this application is installed, go to the cells and go to the customers. Then select any customer and click on print customer statement option. So now Odoo will generate PDF report of customer statement. So our file is downloaded. You can see customer statement is downloaded into PDF format. So using Odoo 18, you can easily download customer statement without any custom modules. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos from us, then please stay connected.